Hey everyone! I just discovered this amazing Chrome extension called ReadRadar that helps you find books mentioned on any web page. Let me show you how easy it is to use. First, I went to the Chrome web store, searched for ReadRadar, and clicked Add to Chrome. It installs quickly and is completely safe. Alright, here I am on a subreddit where people discuss or provide book suggestions. Normally, I'd jot down these titles or search for them one by one, but watch this. I just click the ReadRadar icon. And in a few seconds, there it is. A list of all the books mentioned on the page. When I click on a book, I get everything I need: cover image, summary, ratings, and even reviews, all in one place. No more bouncing between tabs or losing track of titles. This is such a game changer, especially if you're a bookworm or love discovering new reads while browsing. If you're tired of searching for book info manually, try ReadRadar. Head to the Chrome web store, add it to your browser, and start exploring books effortlessly. Trust me, you're going to love it. Discover books with just a click. ReadRadar.